In this lesson, we're going to work on a word problem, and the word problem involves some fractions. So let's take a look. Sienna uses 3/4 of a package of chocolate chips for each batch of cookies that she makes. How many packages of chocolate chips does she use if she makes 5 batches of cookies? So the first step is not to panic and to remember. Just use the words to help you figure out the answer. Okay, so for one batch, she uses 3/4 of the package, but she makes 5 batches. So we need to figure out how many chocolate packages of chocolate chips. So she will use 5 times 3/4 of a package of chocolate chips. So you multiply this by 5. So it would be like this, 5 times 3/4. So the next step is to remember how to multiply a whole number by a fraction. Okay, you have to remember how to do that. And one way to do it is to make this 5 into an improper fraction. So it'll be 5/1. Any whole number can be written as a fraction like this with 1 as the denominator. Okay? So now we can rewrite the multiplication with 5 as an improper fraction. So it'll look like this. We just rewrote this, and instead of 5, we're going to use 5/1. So 5/1 times 3/4. Well, now you just have to remember how to do that multiplication. You just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So it'll look like this. 5 times 3/1 times 4 equals 15/4. So we shouldn't leave it like that as an improper fraction, and we will simplify it. So 15/4, how many times does 4 fit into 15? 3 times, and then there's 3 left over, right? So 3/4. So our answer is Sienna will need 3 3/4 packages of chocolate chips to make 5 batches of cookies. Okay, so that's the end of that lesson, and don't worry if you don't understand that right away. Anyone can do this. You just probably need to watch this again maybe. As well, you could take a look in the description. There's other videos of mine that are similar to this in the description, so take a look at those. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it. There's a link in it, and it'll take you exactly to this video, and you could watch the video as you follow along in the ebook. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.